Ever wondered how your Galaxy S25 Ultra can help you save battery while traveling abroad? Let's check out the preloaded traveling abroad routine in mode and routine. To do so, go to setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down the screen, tap mode and routine. Now tap discover. Scroll down the screen. Under Adaptive Routine section, select Traveling Abroad. Here, you will see the routine details in the If section. It's set to Traveling Abroad. That means the routine may activate when your phone detects you are outside your original region or time zone. In the Then section, you will notice power saving is turned on. This helps extend your battery life, which is especially useful during travel. And in When Routine End section, power saving will automatically return to its previous state. At the bottom, you can edit the routine to add or remove action, share it, or save it to keep it on your list for later use. A quick note: although the caption says optimize battery and mobile data, the current routine only enables power saving, so it means effect is on battery life, not mobile data. Given to the function, if you want a hands-free way to extend your battery while abroad, this routine is already built into your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.